Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to find the frequency of words in a string using a Python dictionary. So given a string, we want to find how many times each word appears in the string. For example, if the input string is like this: hello world, hello Python, hello code, then the expected output should be like this. Since hello is appearing 3 times, we need to print hello 3. Since world is appearing 1 times, we need to print world 1, and Python 1 times and code 1 times. So this is the Python code to find the frequency of words using a dictionary. So let me explain it. First we define a function word frequency that takes a string text as input. Then we split the input string into a list of words using the split method. This method divides the string at spaces. So note that the split method divides the string at spaces. Then we initialize an empty dictionary called frequency, which will store each word and its count. So this frequency dictionary will store each word and its count. Then we loop through each word in the list. If the word is already in the dictionary, we increment its count by 1. Otherwise, we add the word to the dictionary with an initial count of 1. So what exactly happening is, if the word is already in the dictionary, we increment its count by 1. Otherwise, if we add the word to the dictionary with an initial count of 1. We then loop through the dictionary to print each word and its corresponding frequency. So in this step we are printing the word and its corresponding frequency. So we take the input from the user for the string and then call the word frequency function to print the frequency of each word. So let's test the code. So let's give the same string as example: hello world, hello Python, then hello code. So let's run this. It should print hello 3 times, world 1 times, Python 1 times and code 1 times. So let's give another input: apple, banana, apple, orange, apple, banana. So apple, banana, apple, orange, apple, banana. It should print apple is 3 times, banana is 2 times, then orange is 1 time. So we are getting the result. So the key concept we learned are string splitting, which we used here using the split method to break a string into individual words. Then dictionary for counting, which we did here using a dictionary to store and count occurrences of words. Then looping through dictionary items. So here we used a loop to access and print items in a dictionary, and that's how you can find the frequency of words in a string using dictionary. This method is efficient and great way to practice working in both strings and dictionaries. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Stay tuned for more challenges, and as always, happy coding.